केटेवन वर्ल्ड सेक्रेट संगीत महोत्सव 10 ते 19 फेब्रुवारी मजगती पोन्ने गोंयांत जातलो अशी माहिती संगीत महोत्सवाच्या आयोजकांनी दिल्या. आरडेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The Katvan Sacred Music Festival that is going to be scheduled between the 10th and the 19th of February. So a period of about 10 days. This is the second edition of the festival. We will be having concerts on the 2 weekends, which is 10th, 11th, 12th and 17th, 18th, 19th. And the week in between will have various symposia, conferences, master classes, etc.
This is the second edition of the Katvan World Sacred Music Festival, and after last year we decided to go further into the idea of our motto, which is a musical experience of coexistence. So the idea of our festival is combining different traditions from sacred music from Indian traditions, Christian traditions, Muslim traditions and some other in the same stage, and offer the possibility to the artists to play together and combine their art, their music, their faith into one stage. So as Runa explained, this is a 10 days festival with 16 concerts happening in all Goa in different venues, and then we have some other activities during the week. We have the second edition of the International Musicology Symposium happening at the university and at the International Center of Goa, ICG. That's from the 14th to the 16th, and during those 3 days we have lectures with professors and artists coming from several countries like Portugal, Spain, UK, India, Iraq, Hungary, and some other, also Italy and France. Some of those are artists performing at Katvan, some of those are coming for the symposium.